life. Every morning we wake up to the greatest gift we have. The gift of life. Every living being on this beautiful planet, including you and me, is blessed with a life. Now, what is life? Life to me is a limited period of time we have been given on this planet to find and fulfill our purpose. The funny thing is that most people spend their entire lifetime searching for their purpose, waiting for the right moment to act, invest time, emotions, and love. But what most people don't realize is that the right moment is now. We all have the ability to make this world a better place. The biggest value you can contribute to this world is to be the best version of yourself. Your best me will inspire others to become the best version of themselves too. When I started to follow my passion and live my life to the fullest, I became the best version of myself. And success and meaning followed immediately. Life is filled with challenges. Remember, the struggles along the way are only meant to shape you for your purpose. Denzel Washington once said, "Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship." Stop waiting for the right moment to work hard. Stop waiting for the right time to love. Don't wait with moving on or beginning with something new. Your life is happening right now. The time is limited and the purpose is clear. Become the best version you can be now.